Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory, the place where reality meets desserts. Today, we are showing you 15 jaw-dropping Olympian cake that make nothing like cakes, but every bite is delicious. The first one is backpack cake. Can you believe this is not a real bag? From the texture to the zip detail, this Olympian is cool goals. The next is burger and fries cake. Crispy fries, no, it's vanilla cake and fondant. The burger illusion is so real you will want to take a bite of frosting. The next is sneaker cake, lace, mash, and even the tide. This cake will have sneakerhead doing a double take. The next is office laptop cake. Need a break from work, eat your laptop literally. Isn't it's 100% edible, even the keyboard. The next is pizza cake. Looks hot and cheesy, but it's sponge cake and buttercream under the sauce. The next is designer handbag cake. The luxury life made edible. This cake doubles as fashion and dessert. The next is game controller cake. Gamers, this one's for you. Those joysticks, pure fondant, that cable chocolate rope. The next is lotion or shampoo bottle cake. Soap or slice. This beauty cake is almost too clean to eat. The next is smartphone cake. Unlock the flavor. This cake even has nothing notification and a battery bar made from sugar. The next is cheese wedge cake. Say cheese. This cake is perfect for foodies who can even add edible mice for fun. The next is top hat cake. It's a cake illusion and magic baked into a one design. The next is mini chair or sofa cake. Sit back and relax or slice it up. These furniture cake are mind bending and juicy looking. The next is grocery basket cake. This one takes skills to the next level. Everything from plastic bag to tomatoes is cake. The next is light bulb cake. A bright idea, literally. This cake even light up before it's cut. The next is gift box surprise cake. A gift outside and an even better surprise inside. You can make it stripped, rainbow, or filled with candies. Want to make Halloween cake? Here are these ideas. Halloween cake are more than desserts. They are edible art. Which one fooled you the most? Love cake magic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory. Share this video to your loved ones so they can also enjoy this video or amazing ideas. And if you want to make the fool others or want to know the best choice or best idea for your next event, you can share with your friend or baker. More baking illusions and cake creativity right here on Cakes Factory. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and share your love by baking a beautiful cake like these. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.